What up, everybody? This is your boy, the boy G, the young on the camera, you know. So, guys, on today's video, I'm gonna be pranking my granny and her visitors, you know. Cause like I'll be busy kicking the wall while I'm in a phone call, you know. So if you are new, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, share, comment, and hit that notification bell so that you get notified next time I drop the bangers like this, bro. So like guys, yeah, let me go to tell her like I don't want anyone to disturb me while I'm doing phone call, you know. Yeah, let me tell you. Nkgon, nkgono, pala ska disturb ne ke bua ka phone. Sega, ke bua le ntho ish. Ish. Yeah, so like pala ska disturb ne. I don't want any disturbance. Why? Ah. So like yeah. Kupaska I'm taking an come. Ah no.
Stop the cap.
I get community feel. Mission complete. The first mission is complete. You know? Yeah. Where's the pouch here? Let me put the camera here. You know? Yeah. So like yeah guys, I'm trying to put the camera here, you know. So that if she come, you'll see her, you know. If she will come back, you know. Plus they are watching movie or story, I'm not sure. But then yeah, they're concentrating and I put the mic there, okay? I use my phone as mic and I put it there and like I leave it like you know, because they don't know my new phone. Yeah, let's do this. So like guys, I'll be kicking the wall, you know. Yeah. Oh damn guys, like I'm scared guys. Okay, let me put the steady here so that I cannot show, you know. 3, 3, 2. Like guys, please subscribe. Like guys, please go to 2K subs. Cause like switching right now, I don't wanna show cause like I can't be starting the call and like how can I do that? Let me wait for a few minutes. Like yeah, let me tell you this by the way. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. Like please subscribe. I know I don't have to beg you guys, but because of you're my family, please subscribe. Cause yeah, I'll beg you because you're my family, you know. Okay, there is someone in the toilet. Like guys, I can't hear what they say. They know, but you'll hear because I put the mic there. Yo, yo. Excuse. Yo. 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 Yo, guys. Yo, I'm scared. Like, I'm not sure if I can fake. Okay, let me go jump, like, be laughing and jumping, like.
Two hours later.
Bruh.
You, Joey. Hey, Shab. Aksa You. 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 Ah, Sha, nibo sa ni Sha. Yeah, plus ça, t'as quitté tuan. Okay, ne, sure, boy.